What about her friend? She's still sleeping. I thought she's hungry too.
She's not hungry.
She's not hungry? Alright, wait then.
Finish! It's looking at you.
Yeah, but I think it's feeling very hot. I'm gonna open the door or the window for you.
I'm very hot.
Very hot. I'm gonna open.
Cold.
I'm gonna open the door, the window, okay?
It's cold. I just check it. No, it's not cold. It's warm. Papa is look at you.
Hi, Elsa. How are you?
Hi.
But look at the body. She's looking at backwards.
Yo.
How come?
This is not a body. This is a bag.
You see the back, but she's looking at the back. How can she look at from the back? She can turn around her neck 36
Look.
degree or what?
Look.
Oh, now it's okay.
No.
But she's not looking at me. She's looking at you.
Look at you.
Hello. Hi, Elsa.
Hi.
But she's showing me her back.
Look, I hear tail.
She's not wearing an underpants or what?
Papa, it don't have an underpants.
She does not have an underpants.
Yeah, it don't have
She-
an underpants.
She does not have. She doesn't have an underpants.
Yeah.
Say she doesn't have an underpants. She does not have an underpants.
Look,
What?
look, it's
Oh, she's very ugly. Don't do like that. That might be very hot.
blue. Elsa's gonna be very hot.
Yeah.
It's gonna be sleep. Ah,
Yawning.
let's go to
She's yawning.
bed.
Hey, she's sleepy.
Okay, let's go to the bedroom. Okay, it's what's favorite, and the wake is what's favorite. Let's go to bed and sleep morning. My phone is over here. Bye, good night, my little pony. It's peeing right here in the beach.
Is it?
It's peeing.
It's not nice.
It's